Servicing the new horizontal dampers is easy once you have the cabinet top cover open. Follow the instruction in the top cover access video and support the top cover while you work on the dampers and suspension rods. Disconnect power from the washer. With the top cover open, the horizontal damper can be removed by reaching in along the side of the tub. Use a 5/16 inch or 8 mm 12-point box end wrench to help remove the horizontal damper retaining pin on the tub. Put the box end of the wrench over the lower end of the pin to depress the locking tab on the pin. While holding the wrench up against the bracket, push up on the pin and then lift it out from the top. The suspension rod end of the damper can then be released from the slider on the suspension rod using a small screwdriver. When reassembling the damper, make sure the wide flange side of the bushing is facing up. If the other end is up, the pin may be difficult to remove in the future. To remove the suspension rod, the horizontal damper must first be disconnected either from the suspension rod slider or from the tub. Once the horizontal damper has been disconnected, lift the tub and suspension rod far enough for the upper end of the rod to clear the bracket on the corner of the cabinet. While holding the tub in position, lower the suspension rod to disengage it from the tub at the bottom. Lift out the suspension rod. To install the suspension rod, follow these steps in the reverse order.